The sponsor of this video is Excellent English YouTube channel. In this YouTube channel you will learn English with the help of news vocabulary and grammar. This YouTube channel will clear your all concept about English. So please subscribe to the Excellent English YouTube channel and also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to complete the exercise of some basic concept of chemistry. First, we have to know what is chemistry. Chemistry is the study of physical and chemical properties and their changes. It is a central science. It is used in core subjects like physical chemistry and biological chemistry. Chemistry have so many parts. First organic, second inorganic, third physical, fourth biological, fifth analytical. In organic chemistry we study about the reactions and their products. In inorganic chemistry we study about the substances which are not organic. In physical chemistry we study about matters and atoms. In biological chemistry we study about medicals. In analytical chemistry, we study about analysis. There are three states of matter: solid Fe, gas O2, liquid H2O. Before complete the exercise, we want to know about what is unit, what is mass, what is length, what is volume, what is temperature. So let's start it. Unit. Unit means the arbitrary decided and universally accepted standard. Mass. Mass is the amount of volume present in the substance. Length. Measure of distance. Temperature. Temperature means measure of hotness and coldness. So let's get start to the exercise. Choose the most correct option. A sample of pure water, whatever the source, always contains 8.8 by mass of oxygen and 11.11 percentage by mass of hydrogen. The answer of this question is 8.8. B. Which of the following compounds cannot demonstrate the law of multiple proportion? The answer of this question is Na2SNAF. Which of the following temperature will read the same value of Celsius and Fahrenheit scale? Is minus 14 degrees. SI unit of the quality electric current is ampere. The ampere is the SI unit of electricity. In the reactions, in the reaction N2 plus 3H2 NH3, the ratio by volume of N2H2 and NH3 is 1:3:2. This illustrates the law of gaseous volumes. F. Which of the following has maximum number of molecules? Answer of this question is 2GH2. G. How many gram of H2O are present in 0.25 mole of it? Answer of this question is 4.5. The number of molecules in 22.4 centimeter of nitrogen gas at STP is 6.022 multiplied by 2023. Which of the following has the largest number of atoms? IgLis. Second, answer the following question. State and explain Avogadro's law. The answer of this question is this. In 1811, Avogadro proposed that equal volume of all gases at same temperature and pressure contains equal number of molecules. For example, hydrogen, oxygen is equal to water. 100 ml hydrogen plus 50 ml oxygen is equal to 100 ml water. Next, point out the difference between 12 gram of carbons and 20 U of carbon. The answer of this question is this. Difference between 12 gram of carbon and 12 unified mass of carbon. Unified mass of carbon, 12 gram of carbon means a mole of carbons, while 12 unified mass of carbon is 12 gram of that. 12 gram of carbon make up 1 mole. It means that 1 mole or 12 U of carbon contains 6.023 multiplied by 1023 carbon atoms. Next, how many gram does an atom hydrogen weight? The answer of this question is the weight of hydrogen atom is 1 gram, which is the atomic weight and also its atomic number. Next, calculate the molecular mass of the following in U. Before calculating the molecular mass in U, we have to know about this. Hydrogen is equal to 1 mol. C. Carbon is equal to 12 mol. Nitrogen is equal to 14 mol. Oxygen is equal to 16 mol. It's so important. Then it will be first NH3. 14 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 3 is equal to 42. B CH3COOH. 12 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 1 is 13,824. C C2H5OH. 12 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 1 is 24 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 16 is 120 multiplied by 16, and equal of all this number is 109 1920. Next, how many particles are present in 1 mole of substance? The answer of this question is on page number on page number 9. This mass of one carbon 12 atom determined by mass spectrometer 1.992648 multiplied by 10 20 minus 23 gram. Mass of 1 mole carbon atom 12 gram. Therefore, number of atoms in 12 gram of carbon 12. This is the answer of the question. Next, what is the SI unit of amount of substance? Is mole. What is meant by molar volume of gas? The answer of this question is on page number 10. This is the the volume of 22.4 diameter 3 at STP is known as molar volume of gas. Next, state and explain the law of conservation of mass. The answer of this question is conservation of mass here. Total mass of reactants is equal to total mass of products. This answer is on page number 5. Next is give give one example of each. First, homogeneous mixture. The example of homogeneous mixture is air. Second, heterogeneous mixture. The heterogeneous mixtures example is sand, oil or water. The example of element is hydrogen and example of compound is ferrous sulfate. Next, these questions are for you. 5. Explain the need of the term average atomic mass. The answer of this question is on the page number of 7. Here, average atomic mass. Many naturally occurring elements exist as mixture of or of more than one isotope. Isotopes have different atomic masses. The atomic mass of such an element is the weighted average of atomic masses of its isotopes, taking into account the atomic masses of isotope and their relative abundance, i.e. present occurrence. This is called average atomic mass of an element. Next is molar mass. The answer of this question is here. The mass of 1 mole of substance elements compounds in gram called its molar mass. The molar mass of any elements in gram is numerically equal to atomic mass of that element. For example, this answer is on page number 9. Next, mole concept. The answer of this question is on here. You know that even a small amount of any substance contains a very large number of atoms or molecules. We use the quantitative adjective mole to express the large number of submicroscopic entire like atomic ions, electrons, etc. present in substance. And the answer of this question is on page number 9. Next, wait. This is C. Next is D. Formula mass with an example. The answer of this question is here. The formula mass of substance is the sum of atomic masses of the atoms present in the formula. For example, NaCl and CuNO3 2. Formula masses of NaCl: average atomic mass of Na plus average atomic mass of Cl, 23.0 U plus 35.5 U is equal to 58.5 U. Next, molar volume of gas. The answer of this question is on page number 10. The molar. Chemists have dedicate from Avogadro's law that 1 mole of any gas occupies a volume of 22.4 diameter 3, a standard temperature 0 degrees Celsius, and pressure 1 at 1 atm STP. The volume of 22.4 diameter 3 at STP is known as molar volume of a gas. Next, type of matters on the basis of chemical composition. The answer of this question is types of matter. The answer of this question is on page number 2. This different kind of matter have characteristic properties which can be classified into two categories as physical properties and chemical properties. This diagram is most important in this chapter. Let's see what is in this diagram. Matter, pure substance, elements, metals, non-metals, metalloids, pure substance, compounds, mixtures, homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures. So thank you for watching this video till end. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to my channel and also press the like button.